Hello, and welcome to Planet Technologies Tips and Tricks. I'm Tamara Bredimus, a learning strategist with Planet Technologies. And today I wanted to talk to you about making sure that we include everyone when we're writing. And Microsoft is going to help us with this by using the inclusive checker. To turn on the inclusive checker, go to the Files tab and select Options. From Options, select Proofing, and from Writing Styles, select Settings. Scroll down until you find Inclusiveness in the checker. Select the items you'd like Microsoft to help you with. I'm going to go ahead and select them all. And click OK. Click OK again, and now you're ready to start writing and include everyone. So if I were to write, firemen put out fires, Microsoft is going to help me by underlining firemen. When I right-click on it, it's going to suggest that I use a gender-neutral term and provide that for me. I'm going to select firefighters, and now my sentence is much more inclusive. So as you can see, using the inclusive checker helps make sure that we include everybody in our writing. Thanks so much for tuning in for this tip and trick. We hope to see you next time. Have a good day.